Are you also one of those people who spend hours in making designs for both desktop and mobile separately? So, here I am to explain you one simple trick by which you can save hours of your efforts. So, hello guys, my name is Kaushiki and this is day 7 of learning advanced prototyping. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to make your designs responsive. So, let's get started. Okay, so I have already taken this UI of a website, for example. So here you can see when I'm trying to increase and decrease the size of it, it is not responsive. Even in this, you can see all the text is getting misplaced. So to fix this, we need to make it responsive. I've already taken a small part of that to explain. So very first step is to have all the elements separately. So here I have ungrouped all the elements. You need to make sure initially that all your elements are separated, not in a frame, not in a group, not in any auto layout. All text, buttons, images should be separate. So here is an image and few text and buttons. Now what you have to do is you have to take each element and press Shift A. Now here you'll see auto layout has been added. Now you need to click on this and from here you need to select fill container. Similarly for the second text, press Shift A to enable auto layout and then fill container. Then you need to select both the text and press Shift A again. So now this text is in a separate auto layout, this is in a separate auto layout, and both of these are grouped in a frame and in auto layout. Now you can see this is not full, so there is a frame here. To this frame also you need to give fill container. This frame is already set to fill container, so you need to make sure every single text and its frame, everything is set to fill container. For the buttons, give them a auto layout and then select all and give an auto layout. Now select the whole frame and clip content so that the content doesn't go outside the frame, and then you have to click this icon which is for wrap. This means if I move it here, so the buttons will go down. Same for the proceeding text or icons, whatever you have in your design. Shift A and then for this frame, shift it to fill container. Now you can see the text moved to the center as it is center aligned here, so you can change it to left align. Now you need to select whole of this content and give it auto layout. So if you can notice that any one element of your frame is not acting as it is in auto layout, then you can simply click on it and see if it is set to fill container. Now you can see every element, text and button, everything is acting in responsive design. So now for this image, you need to separately click it and press Shift A, and now drag to your whole set and give it a auto layout. You can increase and decrease the size and padding between your elements from here, as well as you can manually edit it. Also, if you want to change the placing of your elements, you can see how smoothly you can change the placing. You don't need to see for every pixel and every distance. You need to first click on the image and, as usual, give it fill container, and to this description as well you have to set it to fill container. Now when you'll move it, you will be able to see image, text and all the items will be moving according to your screen size. So this is how you can make your whole design responsive by adding these settings to all your elements. This is how you make your designs go from this to this. Hope you've liked the video, and if you've learned something from it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.